Hello, I'm David.
And I'm Janet, and we're from McNeill Real Estate, currently on location at this tastefully renovated home at number 1 at 26 Kingfisher Avenue in Capel Sound.
We are sure you will be captivated. Come and explore with us.
Step inside to this totally renovated, spacious home, freshly painted and with new flooring. Stunning entertainer's kitchen with quality appliances and lots of storage. 2 living areas and 3 generous bedrooms. Off-street parking behind electric gates and spacious rear yard for kids or pets to play finishes off a home packed with features. We know you will fall in love.
So join us at an inspection.
Or contact us anytime to arrange a personal inspection.
We look forward to seeing you soon.